Hi everyone, welcome back to another drawing video. So today I'm going to be drawing Sarada from the Boruto series. So she's an Uchiha, Sasuke's daughter. So we're going to go right in and we're going to start with her eyes. She has her Sharingan. So the thing about Sarada is she's got glasses on. It's probably the hardest thing of the character to draw. So we'll go into her eyes and we'll do that. We'll start with the eyes first and then the glasses around. So we'll start with her top eyelid. So the eyelid comes around the frame of the glasses, just underneath. So we'll start with this top one here, curves up, just here. And then it comes around the top of her eye, just this way. And then it comes down this direction. Just here. She has eyelashes that sort of just stick up, sort of pointy just here on the edge, just there. And then we go back down on this side, thinner. So then in there she has her iris, so big, real big, curved line like that. And then we have the bottom eyelid across here. So it comes across, just like that. And then the other side of the iris will come from there. Really big. In there she has her pupil, so black circle. And she only has one of parts of her Sharingan activated in this one, so because I think she's still young, so she's trying to get to grips with it. So we have that comma just there, just like that. And of course you can draw in a circular way. You can draw some of these just lines that sort of go around, kind of like a clock or something, just around that eye, just to show a bit more detail in the eye. And then it's red, and you could add a shine or anything like that at all. So I'll just finish this bottom eyelid, comes up here, and then just a bit more pointy than at the edge, just clean it up a bit. So this eye is pretty much the exact same over here. So we'll come over about an eye distance. So you want to measure edge of eye to eye and then come over and start the next one. So this one comes up as well, comes up underneath the rim of her glasses. It comes over then, like that. And she has eyelashes here on this one that spike up as well, just like this side. A bit pointy. And maybe we can see just a bit more here. And then we'll do her iris inside. So like this one, we do this curved line down. We'll do the bottom of her eyelid, just there. And then we'll do the curved line up from that for the other side. Just like that. And then she has her pupil in there. And of course her Sharingan again. So we can see one on this eye goes on down on the bottom, but on this eye it's more up here. I don't know if that changes, does it? I'm not sure. So a comma, and then you have those lines that go around, kind of like a clock. So it's, you know, if you do 12, 3, 6, 9, and then you could do the ones in between. Just little dashes that are going around, kind of like that. And then we'll just finish her eyelid here, comes down, and then comes up a little bit inside, just like there. So now her glasses, right? So in the middle we have the bit that goes across her nose, so the bridge sort of part of those glasses comes across, and then we have a bit underneath as well. So on this side of her glasses, we're going to curve up and around her eye. So for the top of the rim of the glasses, so we're just going to curve up and then around just here, and it'll stop just where her hair is, just about here in the middle of her eye. So her hair comes down across her eye just here, so it's like a curved line, comes down past here, and this is her fringe of her hair. So then the rim of this glass, imagine it comes around and starts here on the bottom, curving. Glasses have a very particular shape, so it's a bit tricky to get it right, but comes across and curves up to the rest of her fringe that comes down here. So we can do that, just like that. And then we just do the inside of the rim of those glasses. So it comes across the top of her eyelid, just here, and comes around, and then comes down this way. So you're following the first line we did, all around, and then up towards that hair there. And then there's that little bump that sits on your nose if you wear glasses, just like that. And then there's just one more line inside just for a bit of eyelid, just there. And we'll come over and we'll do the same on the other side. So we'll curve this around, like this, mirroring, and this will come across, and then up, and then we'll do the top. So this one curves across, sort of trying to copy this side. And then these will hit that bit that goes behind the ears. So it just comes out to a sort of a box shape like that. And then we'll do the inside of those glasses now, the rim inside. So we just do a line like here, so it comes across the eyelid. So it just goes across like that. And comes down, curves down to where the nose is, and then starts to travel back up. So we're following that outside shape as well. And then comes back up, just there. And then we have that bump that is on her nose, just like that. We have a line just in there just to show her eyelid. And then above there we have her eyebrows and her headband and her hair. So we'll add her headband first. It's just a line that goes straight across. And then down from that her eyebrows come. So one eyebrow comes down here. Make it pointier at the end and a bit thicker at the top. And then the other one comes down just here below her headband. So it just comes down across the top of her glasses and then goes back up. And make this one a bit thicker just to make them sort of a bit more symmetrical. And then on this side we can maybe just see a little line just for her eyelid just there. Then the rest of her headband comes up this side. Just like that. This comes across then. And meets her hair that's coming down, her fringe that comes down across that. That comes up like that. In there she has the metal plate then, with the leaf symbol on it. So this comes across. Curves down. And then goes back across. There's the bolts that sort of keep it on. You could draw full circles or half circles, kind of like that. Maybe I'll make this one sort of more full just so you can see. Going around like that. And then we have the leaf symbol here, and you can only see some of it. So we can just see the point sort of there, and then we can see some of the spiral that's inside, but not all of it. And then there's the other shape that's in there, like a little triangle. Now, so we'll finish her hair that goes up and around and joins the bottom of her fringe just here. So it comes up from the point just here and goes around her head. Keep going all around to the headband, just there. And then we can see an ear on this side. So we just have her ear just coming up from the glasses here, comes around, goes back in just about there where the side of her face will start. We just a bit of hair just there. And then we can put in the sides of her face, coming down from the hair, come down from the ear, the glasses here. So we come down all around, and you try and do the same here. So it'll start across from it, and you'll try and get it sort of symmetrical. Curve around for a chin, and then back up there. Her nose then, halfway between the chin and the eyes, you'll have the nose. The nose is very simple, just 2 nostrils, just like that. And then her mouth, halfway between the nose and the chin, we have the mouth. We have just curve line there, and then another one just here. And you can make them touch or not, it's up to you. And just a line on the bottom then for her bottom lip. Now she has her neck coming down from her jawline. Just 2 lines because they meet her clothes. Just there. And then her clothes come around from there. Come down one side. Do the same on the other side. Curves around, comes down under her chin, and then come down and meet just down here where there's a zip. So a zip is just a box with a sort of a bigger box just on top of it, like that. And then these keep going, 2 lines just down, like that. So she has just the edge of those colors just there. And then her shoulders come off this direction. Down and off the page there. Same over here. Down and off the page. And then there's the lines for the edges of that top that she wears just there. And then here as well. And a line just for armpits, maybe just there. She has some hair that sticks out down here, just spiking, like that. And then some here too. Back up like that. And then we forgot the lines for bones and ligaments inside the ears. That way. And that way. One there. One there. And let's see. Yep. Yeah, and that's the basic idea. There she is. Sarada from the Boruto series. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.